Alright guys, this is the last video on that creating your own lead capture form and doing it very simple using the Comet 5 tools. As you can see, we went ahead and inserted the form. I showed you how to do that. Inserted a little arrow and shrunk it down pointing at the form. Please fill out your form for more info. You can get creative in your own ways, fill out your own information, add my Facebook. I showed you how to hyperlink your Facebook to that. We titled the page. You can get a lot more creative than just this, all right, guys? But now let's say we want to insert a video. So the next thing we want to do is you're going to come over here. We went ahead and saved your template, so let's go ahead and make sure that we've got it saved. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is go right over here, exit out of your template manager, and we're going to come into your media. We're going to open up the media manager again, where we uploaded your picture of that arrow. And there's a couple of different functions that this media manager can do, obviously, and I'm going to walk you through one of the other ones, which is recording your video for your lead capture page. Now, if you already have a camera or a flip cam or whatever, and you've already recorded something professionally or recorded something off your webcam or whatever it may be, you can upload that into here. You don't have to record it directly from your webcam. But let's say you don't have a nice little camcorder and you need to record it directly from your webcam. This is how it's going to be done. You're going to be taken to your media manager. You're going to come over here, click the record video. It is going to open up this little box. Once again, I do apologize for the time that it is taking the DSL and the screen share just does not want to work together. So we're going to go ahead and allow the camera. Alright, and as you can see, here I am. Hello guys. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to name this. So even before you hit record, you got to name it, or it's just going to record it as the date and time. So we're going to name this lead capture video. All right, and I do not want it to delete because it's going to be, I'm going to publish that and make that my lead capture page. So I do not want this video to delete, because if it does, it will not play after 30 days. And then I'm going to go ahead and record my video of whatever I want. Test 1 2 3, recording my video. So okay, it's all done. I like it. I'm going to come over here. I can play it to make sure that I like it. Test 1 2 3, recording my video. So okay, it's all done. Okay, so I like it. So I'm going to come over here and save it. So now I have my media saved. So then I'm going to go back over to my template manager. Which I should have never exited out of fully and completely, as I can see now. I'm going to click on my web templates. I am going to come down here to the folder that I created earlier, test, my template that I'm creating, my landing page, right? And we're going to edit it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is put my cursor here. It's obviously right over here, so I have to center my cursor. Middle of the page, make sure your cursor is centered. There we are. Then we're going to insert media again. And instead of an arrow from images, what we're going to do is we're going to go to video messages sent. Click on the little plus button down here. And as you can see, lead capture video, as I titled it right here. We can click on that. Another area where I can show you later on if you want, so that way it's just not a freeze image of your face with your mouth open. I'll just go ahead and do this now just so you can see what it looks like, but I'll show you how to do this later on. I created a play button clip art and I uploaded it, made sure that it's 400 by 300 in a picture of myself. Then bingo bambo. Got your video right inside there. Now I can come over here and publish my lead landing page, my lead capture page. So I'm going to click on publish. And I'm going to come over here, save template. Which I think I should have done before the publish, but that's alright. And then publish. And publish URL. I'm going to click on this little button right here. Click on our test. Template that we created, that we just published. We're going to grab this code. And now as you'll see, I'm going to paste that code in this page. And look what we have here. Travis's lead capture page. Add my Facebook. Please fill out form for more info. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Now I can go to GoDaddy and get www.travis.com and have that travis.com connected to that published URL that we just copied to paste inside this page to open this up. And now if I wanted, this could be my website, it could be my lead capture page, it could be all different kinds of things. I could paste this on my Facebook wall, telling people to go check out my message. And as you can see, it was just that simple for me to create my own website or lead capture page or squeeze page or whatever it is that you want to call it out there. Just very, very simple things to do inside the COM F5 system and tools. Hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions, always feel free to connect with me, and I'm always happy to help anybody that I can. All right, talk to you guys soon.